Hi guys, today we'll be making 7 lentils veg tacos from scratch. It's a very healthy recipe as we are using 7 lentils. I bought a packet of 7 lentils from a supermarket. It has mixed all the lentils, basically urad, moong, 2 kinds of kidney beans, 2 kinds of chana dal, the chickpea. I will boil it all and give it 4 to 5 whistles. These are all the ingredients that you'll need. Prepare all the ingredients and set it aside. It is very important to prepare all the ingredients beforehand and then start making the tacos. You'll need vegetables. So these are the vegetables that I had in my house. So I have cut them, chopped them in julienne. For the tortilla bread, you need all-purpose flour. I'm just roughly taking it according to without any measurements, according to my own instincts. I'm adding corn powder which I made from corn after drying it up in sun. Add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of baking powder or baking soda, most preferably baking soda, to give it a little rise. After that, add a pinch of chili flakes or chili powder, whatever is easily available at your house. To it, add some granulated sugar. You can also add sugar powder, but I didn't have any, so I'm just adding granulated sugar. You can also add any herbs like thyme or rosemary. Give it a good stir so that all the dry ingredients are mixed well and there is no lumps. It is very important that the dough doesn't have any lumps, so give it a good stir. Have some warm water beside you, and also the oil that you'll be adding to this dough has to be a little warm, not on room temperature but a little warm, so that it helps in binding the entire dough in a better way. So this is the oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any oil that is easily available in your kitchen. So this is vegetable oil. I've added 4-5 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the dough, and I'll be adding the warm water, lukewarm water, to convert it into a dough. It will not be as a very stiff consistency. It is a loosely bind consistency, but this will do. I'll set it aside and then prepare my vegetables. The vegetables that I've taken is capsicum, onion and tomato, which was what I had in my kitchen. So I've cut them. I will vinegar them with either lemon or vinegar to add the tangy flavor. I have two prepared sauces. One is mint and one is 4-sauce recipe. On a pan, heat the tortilla bread from one side. To the other side, add some boiled 7 lentils. I have smashed them up so that it's not very hard to chew. I will to it I will add the vegetables, the vinegared vegetables, and then I'll add the two sauces that I prepared, the mint, the curd and mint chutney, and the 4-sauce recipe. Basically, I used 4 sauces that was available in my kitchen, and added some oregano and pepper powder to it. So that is a very good 4-sauce recipe, and it goes with almost everything. I've added grated cheese. This is processed cheese. You can add any other cheese. Mozzarella is most preferable. And here you go. I've done a plating in a messy style because I just had that idea while making the tacos. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video.